And this, ladies, is a good way to, you can leave it like that, like down there, and then I'm going to do the other side. This is a great style for locks, for starter locks like mine, because it doesn't really require a whole lot of tension. And it's a style that you can wear out, because I just wore it for a couple of days myself. And you just roll your hair and tuck it in, roll your hair and tuck it in. And you see you can leave it like that. Of course, if you want to tuck it a little smaller, you can. And then I come into the back and I'm just going to roll and tuck that in. And that's it. And this is a great style to use if you want to just give your locks a little bit of body. And it can be done on the length of locks that I have. Probably just a little bit shorter than mine, all the way to longer. And that is it. And so we're going to go to bed, put our satin cap on, go to bed, and that's it.